Fururi nduhumukite hari kuhukia murimu wa COVID-19 ni kuringana na munini wa minista wa ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman agiteterithia bata wa o Kenya kunyita itemi riake hari kuhukia murimu uyu fururi-ini. Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugete maundu maya matatu nimo maracokia fururi thutha bara-ini ino. Wa mbere, Akenya ni matigite kuhuthira mask, andu no maroneka itutu-ini na mitaratara ya kwigitira ngari-ini cia muingi ikarekererio.
I want to make a passionate appeal to our people, those in the public transport sector, to cooperate with the government and not allow their matatus and buses to be the weak link in this fight against the virus.
Ona Ateti aria ica ikuhi monekete kugomithania muingi matari na mihaka ni moritio gutuika cionereria ciega kuri a Kenya.
Political gatherings that draw large jostling crowds, which is an ideal condition for mass transmission of the virus.
Kahinda-ini o kau, Aman nianiriirie ati fururi ni wandikithitie andu angi 104 aria mari na murimu wa COVID-19 aria manyitikanite thutha wa ithimi 2,285 iria citabanitio ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
From a sample of 2,285 tested in the last 24 hours, 104 have tested positive.
Ona kuri oguo andu angi 74 ni mahonete guku fururi-ini, guku angi na 8 magitorio ni murimu uyu na gukua ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24.
To date, cumulatively, 21,557 people have been able to recover from the disease, both from home-based care program and also those discharged from various hospitals in the country.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri no ithiete na mbere gukomithia muthutukania wa family iria ciatigwo ni endwa ao kumana na COVID-19.
This disease can be contracted by anybody, including you and I, and it does not discriminate on the basis of age, gender or status.
Bara-ini ya murimu uyu, fururi wa Egypt ni uhete fururi wa Kenya indo cia kugitira arigitani guku mafururi maria ni ameba ngwataniro wa mafururi ma Africa igitungania uteithio niguo kunyitanira bara-ini ya COVID-19 mafururi-ini maya.
To humbly present a gift presented by the people of Egypt to the people of Kenya.
Kenya has donated $2 million to the AU COVID-19 Response Fund.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite no iranyitanira na honge ngurani iria ciri ihenya-ini ria gwetha njanjo ya murimu uyu, no mbere ya njanjo yonekete no nginyagia o mundu agie na wimenyereri. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Winrose Wangui.